Hello everyone, and welcome to Business Hub. It's crucial to have good financial management in life. It is easy to get obsessed with everyday costs while delaying more significant goals like emergency savings or retirement savings. Spend some time thinking about how you might manage your money better in order to secure your financial security. Here are 10 financial advice for individuals that will alter your perspective on money. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Tracking your spending. One of the most important steps to achieving financial success is keeping track of your expenses. Knowing exactly where and how much of your money is being spent is the first step towards taking control of your finances. You may gain a clear view of your financial situation and make well-informed financial decisions by keeping track of your spending. There are various methods for keeping track of your spending. You may use a budgeting tool, a spreadsheet, or just paper and pen. Regardless of the route you choose, be sure to record every dollar you spend on items like meals, bills, entertainment, and anything else. Keeping track of your income is equally important for comparing your expenditures to your income and ensuring that you are staying within your budget. Number 2. Making a budget and sticking to it. The next step after keeping track of your spending is to create a budget. An organized plan for how much money you will spend and save is a budget. It should include a forecast of your monthly financial condition, as well as a list of all of your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can be sure that you are handling your money appropriately. Make a list of your financial goals before you create your budget. These should be reachable and might be both short-term and long-term. For instance, you can want to save money for a down payment on a house or pay off your credit card debt in a year. Setting financial goals keeps you accountable and motivated to adhere to your spending plan. Number 3. Paying yourself first. When it comes to managing your money, it's imperative to pay yourself first. Before paying any bills or other outgoings, you must save and invest a portion of your monthly income. You may save money for the future and ensure that you are prepared for any unanticipated bills or disasters by prioritizing your own needs. How much you should save depends on your financial goals and your current financial situation. If you have debt, you may want to prioritize paying it off before you start saving. You may start saving some of your money when you've paid off your debt. If your income increases, increase your monthly savings by at least 10% to 15%. Number 4. Automating your finances. One of the best ways to keep control of your finances is to automate as much of it as you can. You may save time and effort while also guaranteeing that your savings are made each month and that your bills are paid on time by automating your finances. You may set up automatic payments to make sure you never forget to pay a bill. You may also set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month to avoid having to remember to manually transfer money. You can make sure that your bill payments are completed on time and that you consistently save money each month by automating your accounts. Number 5. Investing for the long term. Investing is a great way to build wealth and set money aside for the future. Since the process of investing might be difficult, it's essential to do your study and understand the basics before you start. When investing, having a long-term strategy is essential. The aim of investing should be to build up wealth over time rather than to earn a quick profit. With the intention of keeping your investments for at least 5 to 10 years, think about investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. It's also important to consider diversifying your holdings. One may make sure their portfolio is diversified in the event that one asset class performs poorly by investing in a variety of assets. You can reduce risk and make sure your portfolio is balanced by diversifying your holdings. Number 6. Shopping around for the best deals. Shopping around for the greatest deals is one of the simplest ways to save money. Always compare prices before making a purchase, whether it be for apparel, furniture, or groceries. By comparing prices, you can find the best offer and ensure that you're receiving the most value. While comparing costs, it is essential to take other aspects into account. Consider the product's build quality, return guidelines, and any other features that could be important to you. It's a good idea to use bargains and coupons since they may help you save more money. Number 7. Don't be afraid to say no. When it comes to managing your money, the capacity to say no is crucial. By declining useless purchases and expenses, you may be able to save prices and stay within your budget. When you're tempted to make an impulsive purchase, pause to determine whether it is really necessary. Examine your true need for it as well as how it will fit into your budget. If it's not necessary or you can't afford it, it's alright to say no. Number 8. Staying informed about financial trends and news. For effective money management, being current on news and trends in finance is essential. By being informed about what's happening in the financial world, you can make wise financial decisions and stay on top of any events that could have an effect on your financial situation. Make sure you stay up to date on financial news and trends by reading the news, watching the news, and following financial gurus on social media. You'll be able to make wiser financial decisions and ensure that you are informed of any events that might affect your money by doing this. Number 9. Live without credit cards. Is possible, but it requires a lot of planning and restraint. The first step is to create and follow a budget. To guarantee that you are not going over budget, this requires keeping track of all of your income and expenses. It also involves setting up cash for unanticipated expenses and emergencies. After you've created a budget, you may start searching for ways to reduce expenses. This may include cutting down on unreasonable expenses like eating out or buying new clothes. Finding ways to save money on needs like buying generic brands or shopping sales might also be included. Number 10. Make financial education a priority. More than anybody else, young people need financial education. Lessons in budgeting, saving, and investing may aid children in developing sound financial habits that will benefit them as adults. Both parents and schools may teach young people about money matters. It is feasible to avoid using credit cards, but requires careful planning and restraint. By creating and sticking to a budget, utilizing cash or debit cards instead of credit cards, and placing a high priority on financial education, you can survive without using credit cards. If you adopt the right approach, you may achieve financial independence and live a debt-free life. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.